I came into this space very recently when Gio introduced me to my medical choice, and I must say that um, there's been a lot of fallout from the COVID years, and so many patients now have no confidence that they are going to get the best care, and they have basically lost, there's an awful lot of confidence has been lost in the medical profession, and in the care that they would get, both in a sort of routine environment and in an emergency environment. And that's made people very, very anxious indeed. But also, we've got some patients, the groups of patients I see. So in my clinic, I see patients who have mast cell activation syndrome, long COVID, and who are vaccine injured, and have all very, very sensitive systems. So there are certain drugs and medications and chemicals they just cannot tolerate. And this causes so much anxiety. They're so worried that when they get admitted to hospital, if they're unconscious in an accident or something, they will be given a whole load of anesthetics or drugs that will just make them extremely, extremely unwell, and they could have an anaphylactic shock, for example. So people, when I mention my medical choice to my patients, they are absolutely thrilled. I mean, you can see, and it's interesting because they've never mentioned this anxiety to me before. But as soon as I say there's something I want to tell them about, and they might be interested in this, they are hugely, hugely impressed and very, very relieved to be able to put all their information in a secure way onto this website, know that their loved ones will be contacted, know that their medical history, the drugs they're on, their intolerances, reactions, everything will be on there, and their preferences as to what should happen to them going forward in their care. So it's fantastic, and I really want to thank all the team who've been working on my medical choice. I think it's a wonderful innovation. It's only for the UK at the moment, and I'm looking forward to telling more of my patients about it because I think it will help them to sleep well at night.